Hi, I'm Mr. Apple. I'm Mr. Apple. Apple. I have a friend, Mr. Banana. Yes. Okay, we are going to blend the banana. Okay. Let's get the blender. Okay, we are going to blend the bananas and the apples. Okay. Oh, let's blend our apples and bananas. Okay, we're going to make a smoothie. Oh, let's blend our. Okay, we used fruits to make a smoothie. Apple, apple, and bananas, bananas. Okay, let's drink it up. Drink that smoothie. Yum. Yum. Yes. Say goodbye to Mr. Apple and Bananas. Goodbye.
Bye.
It was a yummy smoothie.